Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can delete your saved chat on Snapchat. So it's pretty simple, follow the step. So I open the chat with my friend. So these two messages which I sent to my friend is being saved over here. Now I can delete it. Now you need to remember you can only delete the message which you sent. The message which my friend sent, I cannot delete it because I don't have permission to do that. So this feature only works if you want to delete the message which you sent. So this is the message which I sent. It just says me over here, you guys can see. So first thing what I want to do is hold on the message. So I'm going to delete this message called well. So I'm going to hold on the message and it's giving me all these options. From all these options, I'm going to click on delete, which is at the bottom. I will click on delete and click on OK and click on delete. It's basically asking me, are you sure? Because once you delete this chat, you cannot recover it again. So I'm sure I want to delete it. So I will just click on delete and it worked. So that's how you guys can delete saved chat on Snapchat. It's that simple. So hope you understand how you guys can do it. If you guys did, hit the subscribe to our channel once a step. I'll see you guys in my future video. Bye bye until then.